Kalau straight line, we use y equals to mx plus c. Straight line only. Tapi for curve, we got a general formula. The general formula is y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. Understand? Y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. Right? So what is a, what is b, and what is c? Let's look at this example. When you are given a quadratic equation, how do we know it is quadratic or straight line? A straight line, always the format is y equals to mx plus c. And then the x don't have power. Tak ada kuasa, don't have power 2, power 3 like that. Like you see x with a square or power 3, that means it's a curve. Quadratic. Quadratic refers to power 2. Understand? When we say quadratic, we refer to x power 2 only. So we don't want to answer question which has power 3, power 4, power 5. That one is not in our syllabus. Understand? We don't have to learn power 3, power 4 and so on. Right? So when you are given ax squared plus bx plus c, you check the value of a. Kalau a is positive, besar dari kosong is positive, betul tak? Kalau a is positive, then the curve will be like U shape. Why U shape? Because positive means minimum. Understand? If a is positive, the graph is minimum. Minimum means this titik bucu, no? Bucu in English we call vertex. Vertex point, V-E-R-T-X. The vertex point is the turning point, titik pertukaran. That means the curve, this is the gradient. This gradient is positive. This gradient going up is, this is negative. Condong belah ni negative. Condong belah sana, the gradient is positive. So from negative change to positive, the turning point, the changing point is called the vertex, or the titik bucu tadi lah. So if that turning point is at the bottom, bottom is minimum lah, isn't it? Minimum, we get minimum when a is what? Positive. Faham tak? Yeah? If a is negative, then you get a maximum curve. Terbalik. Understand? Kalau a positive, minimum. Kalau a negative, alright? Understand? Okay. Now, let's move on. Sketching a quadratic function. Just now, for straight line, to sketch straight line, you need only 2 points, isn't it? You find where it intersects x-axis, y-axis, then you join. Straight line very easy, join only. Tapi for curve, you cannot join 2 points. You must find a few things. The first thing you need to find is the value of a. You need to know value of a, whether a is positive or negative, kan? Kalau positive, minimum. Kalau a negative, maximum. First you must know the shape lah. Kalau you don't know the shape, how do you sketch? Macam mana nak lakar? Betul tak? Okay, so determine whether it is maximum or minimum. Alright? Then the second step is to find the vertex point. Titik bucu lah, vertex point. These are the 2 formulas. But I would suggest you don't memorize this. Ni tak payah hafal. You just memorize this enough. Because this one is easier kan? Negative b over 2a. This one susah nak ingat. You remember this enough. Bila dah dapat the value of x, how do you find y? Tak payah pakai formula. Ganti into the equation lah. Like just now, x and y lah. If you know x, sure you can find y. You just substitute into the equation. Correct? Okay, so use this formula. Memorize this formula now. Vertex point, x equals to negative b over 2a. Then you need to find where it intersects the y-axis. Di mana dia potong paksi y. And if possible, you need to find where it intersects the axis. Wow, you look at this formula. Those who study ACMATs last time, sure you know this formula. Kalau you don't know ACMATs, how? How in the exam like that, how? Can memorize that? Negative b square root, b square minus 4ac over 2a, can remember? You must practice lah. Kalau you don't remember, don't answer lah in exam, that's the best. Sure you won't answer anyway. But sometimes you will give you this type of question, sometimes. But you have choices. 4 questions, choose 3. And then 4 questions, choose 3. Each question got part A, B, C, D. One part only you don't know. That doesn't mean you cannot answer everything. Kalau ada 4 bahagian, 1 bahagian tak boleh jawab, tak apa lah. 3 bahagian boleh jawab, tak dapat 20 mark, at least you get 15 mark. Betul tak? 15 plus here and there, I'm not asking you to score 100. You want to score A, 80 marks only. Yeah, no? You don't have to score 100 to get A. Okay? Even you score 100 also what? Your certificate never show you score 100. You only get grade only. Betul tak? You don't get your score, you don't know your score. It doesn't matter. Huh? Again, our reference.
The sign plus and minus.
Which one? This one. Because square root, you will find square root of 4. What's the answer of square root of 4? Get 2, isn't it? 2 times 2, 4. But negative 2 times negative 2 also 4. Agree or not? Positive 2 times positive 2 is 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 also 4. That's why you have positive and negative for square root. Every square root you must put positive and negative in front. Sure you have to put. Because there are 2 values. Right? Now we need to know this formula. Bukan semua no. You know what? From this formula, we only need to know about this inside the square root. The b square minus 4ac.